Many of us in Europe, uh, especially those living in bigger cities, tend to live in flats where we don't really have access to a garden and are therefore unable to grow our native trees outdoors. Uh, in which case, tropical trees and those trees that can grow indoors are an ideal substitute for us. Growing plants indoors can be a challenge, but there are many species that we can use. Chinese Elm is by far the most popular. Then we have the Ficus, so the fig tree, Ficus feduca, commonly called the Chinese Banyan. Then we have the Japanese pagoda tree or the podocarpus macrophyllus. You can even grow an olive and Mediterranean tree indoors if you are stuck for place outdoors. You can then try and grow a more commonly grown houseplant, the umbrella tree, which grows very commonly as a bonsai. We have things like Japanese holly, pomegranate, and a whole host of other trees, tropical bonsais that we can grow indoors. Tropical trees, the ones that will survive in Europe and in the UK, are in general quite limited. Usually they are trees that are grown in the undergrowths and can take low light conditions, like is prevalent in most of the European and European regions, and in a lot of the United Kingdom too. In general, need a lot of humidity. They need a lot of heat. Because of that, they tend to be grown indoors. The amount of species that you can grow suddenly multiplies quite significantly, and the number of bonsais that you can get if you're willing to grow tropical trees jumps also quite significantly, and then suddenly your collection gets quite rich, quite beautiful, and quite varied. Look out for our coming videos on each of these species if you would like to grow them in your homes.